What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life on a 2020 Mazda CX-9. Like I said, we'll be working on a 2020 CX-9 in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So with the vehicle on or running, we're going to come over here and we're going to be using these buttons. If you're not already on the home screen, go ahead and click this button. Now I'm going to focus in on the radio, but just so you know, this kind of joystick here will be the only button I'll be using. So when I say I'm scrolling left or right, I'm moving this left or right. You can also move it left or right like this. And then when I say I'm pressing OK, I'm just pressing this button in. So once you're on that home screen, you'll scroll all the way over to the left until Applications is highlighted. Go ahead and press OK. Then once we're on this screen, scroll down to Vehicle Status Monitor. Press OK. Then we're going to scroll down to Maintenance. Press OK. Then once we're on this screen, there's the other things to reset for this video. We're just going to focus in on the oil change. So go ahead and highlight Oil Change. Press OK. And then once we're on this screen, if you want to change the distance, you can also set it as a time. I'm just going to leave it to what it's set. I believe it's set at 5,000 miles. So when Reset is highlighted, go ahead and press OK. And then it's just saying, are you sure you want to? Go over to Reset, highlight that, press OK. And then you can see there, it reset to 5,000 miles. And if you want to go in and change the miles, you'll just go into there to this screen here to change that. But that's it. That should also clear your oil change warning message too, if you have it. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.